Lizzie.
Hey, I'm Kyra.
I'm Connie.
And I'm Ashley.
And this is our South Island road trip. Good morning, guys. I am doing my Scenic flight. This flight has been canceled 3 times, once the other day, again this morning, and now this 12:30 p.m. flight is a go. I'm going to be taking a 45-minute Scenic flight over Mount Aspiring. I'm at the airport right now. Let's do this! Just arrived in Tiano. Ash did the drive down from Queenstown. I had a beautiful Scenic flight earlier that was incredible. I still can't believe that it was on special for $99. Just a result of the COVID-19, everything that happened. They're having a lot of specials in Queenstown on activities that normally cost hundreds of dollars. They're now like 99 each. So one of them was my Scenic flight, 45-minute around Mount Aspiring, and it was absolutely breathtaking. You saw the footage. You can see for yourself how beautiful that mountain scenery is. Highly recommend you can do that if you ever get the chance. And now we're about to check into our lakefront backpackers in Tiano. This is so beautiful. That's the lake behind me. And we're gonna go on a full day adventure to Milford Sound tomorrow. Tonight we're gonna have fajitas in, have a nice dinner inside the hostel. Just relax, and tomorrow's gonna be an epic day. I get to go back to Milford Sound. I've been there before, and it's gonna be some scenic in the next few days around this area. Can't wait, and I'll see you tomorrow. So we just got into our room. We're staying at the Lakefront Backpackers, and here's a room tour. I love this setup. Your own little bed. These ones come with little cubby holes with your own outlet. Kind of like built in, and I'm assuming that's a light under there. This room's a bit dated. There's like this weird kitchen thing, but all that's in there is a sink. That's the toilet, so we get our own private toilet. That's nice. I think this is $25 a night for this. Not bad.
Not bad, yeah.
No, it's all good.
Test that bed.
Oh, wow. Morning, everyone. I'm driving us to Milford Sound this morning. It's a bit foggy and rainy here in Tiano, but hopefully the weather improves as we get closer to Milford. But are we excited? I'm excited.
Woo, yeah, I'm excited.
to the Milford Sound drive, and we've had some pretty icy conditions on the road, but just one time the back tire slipped out. Yeah, definitely beautiful, scenic. We had a lot of fog in the beginning and a lot of mist, but now it's cleared and it's a beautiful day. Beautiful day to be in Milford Sound. We're about to go in the tunnel. We're just waiting for the right signal. So we made it to Milford Sound. We're about just over an hour too early. So we came to a cafe that's on site. I didn't even know that there was a cafe here, and I've gotten myself a hot drink and a brownie, a lemon tea brownie. Lizzie, what do you have?
Cinnamon swirl.
Nice.
And a latte.
Connie has
Cappuccino, as usual.
Ash.
Fairness, some pie.
Oh, a pie. All right. We're waiting to board the cruise now. We have our bagged picnic lunch and our boarding passes. We also have a stop on this particular tour to the underwater observatory at some point. And look at our bagged lunch. I'll show you what's inside. That was a bit weird. We got some tasty stuff in there. Yeah, cookies, a wrap, chips, an apple, and cheese and crackers, which I've had these. These are really nice. We are on the cruise now. And it was so funny because we met up with a guy that we met in Queenstown. We actually partied with him, and we saw him coming off the earlier cruise, so we had a chat with him before coming on the cruise. So it was really nice to see him again. We're gonna have a coffee, tea included in the cruise. We're gonna go see Milford Sound.
Refreshing, yeah, it's nice.
Okay, so we've seen most of Milford Sound. Really, really beautiful, but very cold this time of year. Definitely end of June. You gotta prepare for some cold wind. But now we're making a stop at the underwater observatory, which I haven't done before. We're getting off of this boat and we'll catch a different boat back after the cruise.
About 120 tons of cement just underneath it, sunk.
Whoa. Heading down 60 steps to the underwater observatory. It's so dark in here. You're gonna see through acrylic windows. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa, a fish! Oh, hi. Hi, sir.
Wanted to be in your vlog.
Whoa, hi, another sir. Whoa. Look at the fishies. Trying not to fall down these stairs. Whoa, look at the fish. Look at them. Little ones. Hello. What's he doing? Like hiding.
It's just resting.
Whoa. Whoa. He's weird looking. Whoa. Yay. Look at this starfish. Whoa.
That's a good kind.
Turn this way. It's a unicorn fish. That's so
It's
funny.
erect.
He's excited. All right, that's Milford Sound done. There's Connie. How was it for you?
It was beautiful, just magnificent.
Yeah, Lizzie.
It's magical. Yeah, really good.
Nice. So now we get to do the drive all the way back to Tiano. Spend the night in Tiano, and tomorrow we're heading down somewhere. Don't know yet. We haven't booked anything, but we're gonna head even further south to the Catlins area. Through the tunnel. And we're out. What was that? You're meant to push open doors. And I think we're having a rave. I think we're having a rave.
Oh, I can't wait.
She's struggling.